Yes, on this video I'm going to show you how to add flights on this flight website. Like for example, you want to book flights for your client, or you want to create flights for your customer. Note, this video is meant for educational purpose and for legit purpose, okay? So I'm going to be showing you now how to add flights. So all you need to do, okay, let us move to the home page of the website. Okay, this is the home page of the website. You can see the home page. So on this flight booking website, your client can book a flight from this website. Note, before your client can book flight from this website, you will first of all create a flight before your client can see the available flight to book. Okay, if you did not create any flight, your client will not see any available flight to book. So before your client book any flight, you have to create a flight for it to be available for the client to book the flight. Okay, now let us check for available flight. Okay, you scroll down, you can see available flight here. You can see it. So if your client want to book it, let's for example, I'm your client and I want to book it, all I need to do is just for me to click on book now. You can see this flight here, New Jersey City, then airport, USA, blah blah blah. This is just a test run, you know. Then airline, Turkish airline. Understand? So departure July 16, then arrival, this kind of. So let's for example, you want to book this flight now. The seat, available seat number is number 11. Then the cost is $1,500. So all you need to do is just for you to click on book now. So it will open. It said persons. Is it one person, two persons? So if it's one person, you indicate one. If it's two, you indicate two. If it's three, you indicate three. Okay. No, now I'm booking for one person. Okay. Now after you click on that, you click on go. Then you fill the details. Okay, I'll say DPZ. Okay, you just fill the details. Okay, then your passport ID, you indicate your passport ID. Then male, female, you indicate it. Okay, male. Then official address, Lagos City, Badagry. Okay, then after that, luggage size 1 to 5 kg, 5 to 15 kg. Okay, can you choose anyone depending on the luggage size you are going to travel with. Okay, so let me just choose 5 to 15 kg. Okay, then you click on save. So after that, we have saved the flight. Then you now come to this page. It said booking confirmation. We are happy to report to you a successful booking. You have been booked on a direct flight from our website to your destination. Enclose our airlines ticket for Aerofly Limited. Okay, please check your email for attachment complimentary ticket. Congratulations. After this, you can go to your email and alert your client about the flight details, the tracking details whenever your client want to track the flight. Okay, now this is the flight company website email. Your client can as well message you through this email or WhatsApp or call you through this phone number. Okay, now after that, your client can as well track their flight ticket. You can see it, they can track their flight ticket. Okay, track. So you indicate the flight tracking number. Let's for example, let's go and look for any flight tracking number we have created. Okay, like this very one we have created the flight. So copy, then we'll come to track, you paste the tracking number. So after that, you click the check now button. Okay, so you can see Hello, we are validating your booking details. So it's loading. Wow, that's it. Welcome, Dandy. This is a flight tracking number. Is you see the dollar sign, not paid, then active but not paid. So the client who book the flight will have to pay. Yes, they will have to pay before you can accept them whenever they come to the airport.